Here to talk to you about brain health matters and understanding your brain in response to feeling anxious and stressed. If you can understand what your brain's doing, it's easier then to understand what types of things are going to help. So when you feel like this, when you feel anxious or stressed, it alerts your older brain structures, your cave person structures, if you like. So right back in caveman times, when you're wandering out into the woods and you come face to face with a bear, your older brain is switched on, and it's switched on what's called your fight or flight response. So are you going to get out of there, or are you going to decide to take on the bear? It's your alarm system, it's your alert system gets switched on. And lots of things happen to your body when that alert system is switched on to prepare you for running or taking on the bear, if that's what you decide. It changes your body. So your body starts to sweat. So it cools your body down, your heart rate starts to increase, your muscles get tense in case you are deciding to fight. You might find your chest getting tight, numbness, bright vision, a bit of dizziness because your body's filled with adrenaline. All these responses are anxiety, are response to that fight and flight, their anxiety response. And if you like, anxiety is really helpful. So it can help us, the caveman situation, next time they wander into the woods, might be a bit safer. They won't carry food with them, or they'd be quieter as they walk to the path. So anxiety can be really helpful to us as well. The difficulty is when you get too much of it and it becomes really unhelpful. And that's the times when we feel like we have to do something about it. So when anxiety's become unhelpful to us, or too much of anything is not a good thing, and too much anxiety is not a good thing either. So it's bearing in mind what your brain does when you're anxious and what it switches on. It does that unconsciously. So we have to work consciously to switch those things off. We have to work consciously to change our body, to tell our brain it's all right, there's not really a bear there. And that's the types of techniques that people will recommend. So relaxation, for example, switches off your muscles, it relaxes your muscles down, it will bring your heart rate down, hopefully it'll get rid of that kind of tense, sweaty feeling, and all of those things will then tell your old brain, calm down, nothing to worry about, cracking on, life's okay. As soon as your brain knows that, then it can switch off the system and everything can be brought down. Now that's a conscious response, and we will need to respond consciously, and at first relaxation will need to be done somewhere quiet. You'll need to get your body used to it, you need to get yourself used to it. But if you practice it enough, then you can do it walking around, you can do it quickly and instantly. We're not going to recommend any relaxation because everybody has a different thing that suits them. There's plenty of relaxation apps out there, so it's just picking one and practicing it, the ones that you like. The other thing that's interesting as well is this is all about heart rate and bringing your heart rate down and telling your brain that it's okay. And there's something about monitoring your heart rate variability, and that links to anxiety as well. So Tim is going to do a little talk on heart rate variability, which is really interesting in relation to how you can monitor your heart rate and bring it down. I hope that was helpful.